Hello everyone, welcome back to Preeti Physics classes, and today's topic is what are the scales in which we can measure the temperature. Okay, daily life पे आप लोगों ने सुना भी होगा that we used to find out the temperature in Celsius and in the Fahrenheit. Other than these two, there are two more scales that we use, and that are what? Kelvin and Rankine scales. So we will study about all the four scales. So before that, you should know the temperature. And what is temperature? Temperature is hotness and coldness. To measure the hotness and coldness of any object, we can say that temperature we use. For example, if you are going out, so you want to check the weather, you want to wear something. For example, if it is winter time, so you want to prefer to wear the coat, and if it is summer time, so according to that you wear the clothes. If you are making something in oven, if you are making cookies or cake in the oven, so you want to check out the temperature. So temperature is simply find out the hotness and coldness of any object. So now in today's class we will study that to measure that temperature there are four scales. So how we will use the four scales, what are the difference between those four scales, and how we can convert one scale to the another scale. So with any without any delay we can start our topic. So let's get started. Okay, so our first is Fahrenheit scale. Okay, we will start with the Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit scale is derived by the German scientist. The name of the scientist was Daniel Gabriel. Daniel Gabriel told us about the Fahrenheit scale, and basically this scale measures the temperature from like जो freezing point है, freezing point of the water 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. This is boiling point where the water start boiling, and this is the freezing point where water start convert into ice. So below that also possible, that is coldest temperature is also in this scale also, that we can take it in the negative. Now, but mainly the scale is from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit, and there is 180 division in this. This scale basically used in United States and the countries like nearby that area. Mostly used there, but one more scale is there that is very famous and that we can use all over the world. So that is the Celsius scale, and that is known as the centigrade scale also. So in that scale, what is their Celsius scale? Celsius scale. This scale is from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. So we can compare. Here in this scale, this is the freezing point, this is the freezing point, and this is the boiling point of the water. And in this, how many division are there? 100 division are there. So there are these two kind of the scale. Kelvin I will tell you later on. Firstly, Fahrenheit scale, it start from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. It start from 0 degree to 100 degree Celsius. If we will talk about the absolute zero temperature, where everything like the coldest temperature, so that will be in the negative in both the scales. Here the division are 100, here the division are 180. Now if I will say that convert Fahrenheit to Celsius or Celsius to Fahrenheit, so for that there is one formula that you can use. See, I will tell you. Wait, I need to erase this. Very simple formula is there. If you want, what is this? Yeah, Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So this is the formula when anything is given to you in degree Celsius and you want to convert that into Fahrenheit. But if anything is given to you in Fahrenheit and you want to find out in the Celsius, so what you will do? Take Celsius this side, or we can say in the right hand side only, and take other things this side. So it will be 5 by 9 degree Fahrenheit minus 32. This will be the formula when you want to change. See, this is the formula bacha when temperature is given in the degree Celsius and you want to convert that into Fahrenheit, and this is the formula when temperature is given in the Fahrenheit and you want to convert that into degree Celsius. Any temperature you can take and you can convert. For example, if I will say 25 degrees Celsius, convert that into Fahrenheit. If I will say 25 degrees Celsius, convert it into Fahrenheit. So formula you all know. Fahrenheit is equal to 955 into 25 and plus 32. So what will happen? 45 plus 32 and it will become 77. 77 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. If I will ask you that convert 77 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius, so which formula you will apply? Then you will apply 5 by 9 into 77 and minus 32. In that case, you will apply this formula. So you will get again the same answer. Okay. So you can try by this method. You can solve by this method. Now the third scale is Kelvin scale. One more example to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. As we know, Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into C minus 32 degree Celsius. And if you will convert Celsius, degree Celsius, so what will happen, Raja? From here, when you will take, firstly 32 will go that side. Okay, so here it is plus 32, then 32 will go that side, F degree minus 32, and then 5 by 9. So it will multiply like this, 5 by 9. This formula for degree Fahrenheit, this formula for degree Celsius. Now, if I will tell you that convert 45 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So how you will convert 45 degrees Celsius? Put the value here in the formula. How you will get 9 by 5 into 45 plus 32. So what will happen? It will be 981 plus 32. 113 degree Celsius. So this is the answer of Fahrenheit. 45 degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. If I will say that convert 113 Fahrenheit into Celsius, so you will apply this formula. So now we need to convert it into Celsius. 113 minus 32 into 5 by 9. This is given in what? It is given in the degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so now calculate. What will happen? 8. Yeah. It will be this. 5 by 9. 9. 45. So I think now you got my point that we can convert one scale to another scale, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Celsius to Fahrenheit. The scale of Celsius start from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. The scale of Fahrenheit start 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. In the Fahrenheit scale there are 180 division. In the Celsius scale there are 100 division, we can say. And if you want to know the coldest temperature, so in case of the Fahrenheit it is minus 459 degree Fahrenheit. This is the coldest temperature in the Fahrenheit scale. And if I will talk you about the Celsius scale, so it is 273 degree Celsius, the coldest temperature in these scales. So this measure minus 459 degree Fahrenheit and this measure minus 273 degree Celsius. Okay, so these were the scale. And if you starting point in case of the Fahrenheit 32 degree, in case of the degree Celsius 0 degree, but the negative temperature is also possible, and this is the coldest temperature that these scales can measure. So I hope now you got the point of this. Okay, now the Kelvin temperature scale is what, bacha? It is actually the base unit of thermodynamic temperature. Okay, we can measure the temperature and we can use it internationally. This is actually the SI system also. You know why I'm saying this is SI system? SI means Standard International System. We can use the scale all over the world to find out the temperature. And in this case also there is scale from where it starts and from where it ends. So now we will find out about that thing. So finally it is about the Kelvin scale. See bacha, Kelvin scale, the coldest temperature is also known as the absolute zero. The 0 Kelvin, absolute zero. This is in degree Celsius minus 273. This is in Fahrenheit minus 459 degree Fahrenheit. This temperature is known as the absolute zero, and we can say the coldest temperature. Okay. Now see, we can say 0 Kelvin. 0 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. The symbol of Kelvin is only simple K. There is no degree. Here there is no degree. It is only the K, Kelvin scale. So whatever the value, 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of the water. Okay. Now if I will say the boiling point of the water, 100 degrees Celsius, calculate. So what you will do, you can simply add 100 here. So what will happen? It will be 373 Kelvin, boiling point of water. So if you want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, you need to add the same value. For example, you want to find out the 50 degree Celsius, so you need to add the 50 into 73. If you want to add 60 degree, you need to add 60 into 73. Okay, so in that way you can convert the degree Celsius into Kelvin or Kelvin into degree Celsius. For example, degree Celsius to Kelvin, so add the value. Okay, for example, now 0 to 100 when you are calculating, you need to add 273 in this. But if I will say that calculate 373 Kelvin into degree Celsius, so you need to do what बच्चा 373 Kelvin का value calculate करो, you need to subtract 273. If you are converting Kelvin into degree Celsius, then subtract 273. Okay, and if you are converting degree Celsius into Kelvin, then add 273. So like this you can convert. So these are the three main scales that can you use to find out the temperature all over the world. The Kelvin scale is also the SI unit of the temperature. The Kelvin is the SI unit. Why it is SI unit, bacha? Because it is the international system. We can use it all over the world. So these are the three basic main scales in that we can measure the temperature. Hope you got the formulas also, that how you convert Fahrenheit into Celsius and how you convert Celsius into Kelvin. So this is all about for today's topic. See you all in the next class. Till the time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.